Hey travelers, welcome to Europa-Park, the 10-time winner of the Golden Ticket Award. Now, what makes this park so special? In this video we show you some of the highlights that the most popular amusement park has to offer. Action, for example on the new Voltron roller coaster. There is a lot of attention to detail in the queuing area. And when the 5 Tesla coils on the roof of the hall play a melody, you'll sure be amazed. This roller coaster offers various unique riding elements. For example, the steepest launch in the world with 105 degrees. After this much action, we first have to relax. In this cozy coffee shop with the best view of the coaster. Even more relaxing is a boat trip through the castle garden of fictional Empress Josefina. This year you will embark in new, opulently designed boats. Also on this attraction you can see how much passion and love was put into the decors. Here's a tip. Each of the boats is equipped with a small table, so you can enjoy a picnic in the middle of the lake in the Austrian theme area. Speaking of countries, Monaco has been added as the newest country. If you are more adventurous, we recommend a trip to the Pirates in Batavia. Actually, this ride is a classic, but due to a fire it had to be closed a few years ago and then rebuilt. After this day, we understand why Europa-Park won so many awards. We could show you so many more attractions of this park. But it's best to go there yourself. Are you at home in Italy or Spain? No problemo! There are also great parks in these countries. Watch our videos.